Hi there! Today, let's review the world's first multi-filament 3D pen MP01 from JR Education. A menu, a filament pack, an adapter, and a 3D pen that enable you to mix or switch among 3 filaments. This 3D pen is different from all others because you can load 3 different filaments in it, and you can switch or mix these colors freely and instantly. Like all other 3D printing pens from JR Education, this multi-filament 3D pen uses a ceramic nozzle to lower temperature, making it safer to use. Automatic functions at the click of a button makes it easy to use. Automatic unloading at 2 minutes of no operation is adapted. Watch the full episode to know how quick and easy you can mix and switch colors with this 3D pen from JR Education.